Hey folks, Akhil here from Dublin Originals, and today I want to show you all how to convert MP4 to MP3 on PC without losing any quality. The best thing is that you can use this video converter on Windows and Mac as well to convert videos to different formats. That's why this video is going to be very useful. So watch this video full and follow the method by downloading the application from the links in description and pin comment to convert MP4 to MP3 without losing quality. But before I start, if you are new to WM Originals, do subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified and watch this biggest giveaway and tutorial from me at WM Originals for a chance to win $100 Amazon gift card. So now let's begin and know how to convert MP4 to MP3 on PC without losing quality, and for this we will be using a HitPower video converter. It's an ultimate video converter that supports 1000 video audio formats, so it can literally convert any videos and audios to any desired format, including 500 plus video formats that include almost all popular video formats like MP4, MKV, AVI, FLV, WMV and much more, and also supports 300 plus audio formats including MP3, WAV and more. Plus can convert multimedia for different devices and social media as well. That's not enough. HitPower Video Converter also comes with built-in video editor with which we can cut audio and video or can also merge video and audio. Wow, is not that fantastic? Let's give it a try, and for that click on try it free. It starts downloading. Once done, click on it to start with the installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, click on it to open HitPower Video Converter. Here it is. So clean and simple UI to get started with. We can just drag and drop a file to get started with video conversion, or can also add multiple files by clicking on this. From here we can enable or disable hardware restoration or lossless conversion. Video files after conversion will be listed here, and from here we can change directory where we want to save files after conversion. Let's select desktop. See, a new folder is created on desktop. It will have our converted video files. Now let's convert a video file to MP3. Here I have WM Originals animated intro video.
Hi, I am a content creator. Confused about softwares, their usage? Now say goodbye.
I want to convert it to MP3 and extract audio from video. For this, let's click on this. It opens a Windows file picker. Let's browse through to choose WM Originals animated intro video. Once imported, click on this, and here it mentions all the formats in which we can convert our video. We can convert video to different video formats like MOV, MKV, AVI, WMV and many more. We can also convert it to different audio formats, can convert it to specific devices like Apple, Samsung, Xiaomi, Vivo or Google. That's not enough. We can also convert video for social media like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram and many more. As we want to convert this to MP3, click on audio and select MP3. We can also choose audio quality from here. Let's click on high quality 320 kbps MP3. After that, let's click on convert. It will start converting, and within few seconds it gets completed. Click on this, and here we have our MP3 file converted from MP4 video file. We can click on this to play it.
Welcome to WM Originals. Hi, I am a content creator. Confused about softwares, their usage? Now say goodbye to all your.
See, I have successfully converted my channel's intro to MP3. Well, that's not enough. We can use this video converter to edit videos and audios as well. Now, if I want to trim this audio file, just click on this to add it to edit list. Click on yes to check it out. Now we are moved to edit section of HitPower Video Converter. Just click on cut to start editing audio clip. We can place or move the pointer and then split audio clip by clicking on this. Now let's place a pointer over here and then click on split audio. We can see three different clips now. We can delete the middle clip and then click on confirm to merge rest of the audio clip. Next, we need to click on export. It starts exporting, and within seconds it gets completed. We can click on this to view edited audio clip. Click on this to preview. Can also open file location by clicking on this. The same way we can also use HitPower Video Converter to cut and merge audio and video files. Well, that's not enough. There are many more features coming soon in future. That's fantastic. I will highly recommend you to try it if you want to convert videos to different formats. Plus, you can do basic editings to videos and audio files as well. Well, you can always try HitPo Video Converter for free, but if you want to use all its features, you will require a plan. So now, let's talk about HitPo Video Converter pricing. Here we are back on official website and now click on Buy Now. Here we have different pricing plans for HitPo Video Converter. It is also available for Mac, and here are the pricing for HitPo Video Converter for Mac. You can choose the plan as per your requirement, and if you use this code, you can get 30% discount. So what are you waiting for? Check the links in description and pin comment to try HitPo Video Converter. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Also share your feedback and views in comments. And if you are new to WM Originals, do subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.